Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? Well, do you want to improve your drawing fast? Try this exercise. No outlines, no detail, just shadow shapes. What this does is it trains our eye and our hand. Think of like doing scales when you're learning music, and you need to keep practicing so your fingers know what to do. They know where the notes are. Your ears are hearing the notes. It's the same with art. So these exercises in your sketchbook are brilliant for training your eye and your hand. So find a simple object like this onion, for example, and squint your eyes, add a strong light. That really helps with those shadow shapes. You've got the contrast there. And squint your eyes and start by just using your charcoal or a pencil, create those flat shapes. No refining, no detail. Just keep working on that, but remember, this is an exercise, not a finished drawing. So add the layers in and just keep squinting and looking at what those shadow shapes are saying. Maybe just you put a timer on it and just do 2 or 5 minutes, nothing else. That will stop you over refining. So block in those shadows, add extra nuances, but resist refining too much. So this builds muscle memory for seeing tone and executing shapes, which will improve your artwork. So grab a simple object, have a play, sketch it quickly, let me know how you get on. And if you want to know more, come see me in the academy. Like, subscribe, you know what to do. See you on another 2-minute art hack. Bye.